Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to play stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Feel free to ask question and suggest coin so we can add it today. Okay. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Yo, yo, yo. Hello Ava, hello Jeffrey, yo Jose. Hello, hello El Negro. Angelo from Facebook. Hello Channeline. Okay. All good, all good. So as you notice, our stock market was dumping. Okay, you can see this huge dump here. And you can see what happened with our DXY. It's pumping because it's all against the global growth fear, the JPY. So we are creating a new all-time high in our DXY, and so if we cannot prevent DXY from pumping, then Bitcoin will surely dump. So we were not able to break the resistance. As I told you, it always tests resistance and find support. So we were not able to break the resistance, so now we are finding support again. Okay. Hello John Paulo del Rosario, good evening. I hope all is well with everyone. Okay. So basic technical analysis you can learn. So let's go back to the drawing board. We hear that, right? Whenever we make something that is not in line with our, when we lose, so we remind ourselves, let's go back to the drawing board. Hello RA. Okay. So what do we have here? The market is always composed with this one. That's why you take note of this, okay? Accumulation phase, re-accumulation phase, distribution phase, redistribution phase, and then re-accumulation phase again. Okay? So usually it's always repeating, okay? Okay. Can you hear my background? No. You hear surrounding noises or echoes? Okay. Hello, Uncle. Uncle Daryl, thank you for being here. We are an educational platform, okay? So you can check our previous live stream to audit your trading strategy. Good evening also to you. So, basically this Wyckoff market cycle. Hello, Lucifers. Good to see you here. So basically, market is composed of supply and demand. Okay, even the stock market is composed of supply and demand. Demand area, it went up. Supply area, selling area, it went down. Finding a demand area here. And then bounce. Resistance with the supply area. and then broke it and turn it into demand, and then supply area here drops. Okay, so sir, sino si Magdanov? Magdanov? I am not familiar. Okay, so anyway, so demand and supply. So demand greater than supply, the prices goes up. Okay, so if there are so many buyers than sellers, the demand are buyers. Okay, and usually if you are in the demand area, you are buying with with the the institution. Okay, and if supply, Bogdanov, you mean Bogdanov. So you're not familiar with Bogdanov. Bogdanov is a dumper. It's in the Bitcoin meme, crypto meme. Okay, so this is Bogdanov. Okay, they are he panic sold. So he's always he is considered by the memer the one who dumps the coin. Okay, so if you don't like, Bogdanov will dump on you. Wojak buys Bitcoin dip every dip I buy be like. Okay, rest in peace. Okay, so you are not familiar with this one. Let me play some. Okay, I don't think I can play it. Okay, but this is Bogdanov, okay? Okay. So basically that's Bogdanov for you. He always yeah, that's Bogdanov. He's always you now realize, So Bogdanov will dump on you. So that's why you subscribe, you share, you like, or else Bogdanov will dump on you, and you don't want to be dumped, right? Yesterday, dump it. After not breaking the resistance, dump it. Ouch. All right. Okay. So, going back, whenever the supply is greater than demand, the prices goes up. So many sellers, okay? So many sellers, the supply, but nobody is buying. So the prices goes up, okay? Because the price selling, it will go down. And then the demand should go up. But because there is no demand, so there is only going down, free fall. Okay, so I hope you get my description. Kamukha niya yung asawa nung Kardashian Jenner. Yeah. Zero, the Lone Rider. Hello. I hope you're not Zoro, Just Zero. I know Zoro, the Lone Rider. Thank you for joining us. So you will not be alone here. So whenever you get dumped, you are with us. You are dumped with us also. Okay? Okay. So we can mourn together, right? And if we make money, we rejoice with each other also. All right. So this is the price Wyckoff market cycle. So basically, it looks like this one: oversold, accumulation area, because demand is greater than supply. Okay, that's why the price goes up. Overbought, distribution area. Why it's distribution area? The logic is supply is greater than demand. It's already overbought, so nobody is buying now. Okay? So, the strong seller are there. Zero subscriber. Zero subscriber, So you zero the loan right there. Okay, so you see here the price marks down. Okay, so to avoid getting sandwich, you need to be familiarized with the demand zone and the supply zone. Okay. Okay. So whenever you are in the demand zone, you will notice a strong pump from that area. Okay, you can see the long wicks here. Long wicks here, touching the demand zone, long wicks here. Okay, long wicks. So, in demand zone, the smart money are waiting. What are the smart money? The banks, the institution. Now, it includes the 401k. Okay, the pension plan of US is now including Bitcoin in their list of investment. Okay, so 401k, 401k. Same thing rin po ba sa NFT games? This is related to the stock market. Whenever it's related to trading, so you can consider it, okay? Ano po yung burn token, sir? Okay. So, it's burning the supply. So, if you are burning the supply, the demand will go up. Okay? So, that's why there is burning token. Kapag mag-burn ng token ay tumataas yung demand. Yes, you lessen your supply so the demand will go up. Okay? Because not much supply anymore. Okay? That's why they are burning the supply, burning the token. Okay? Thank you for asking, Uncle. Okay? Okay. So, if they buy here, the price usually goes up. Okay, and then they will try to sell in the supply zone. You will know you are in the supply zone because you will see a huge body of red candle. Okay, we notice also the red candle volume, right, in the sell-off. So you can see a red volume candle right there, and then it will start dropping. This supply here, this demand here, they are selling against the retailers, those who are trying to catch the pump. So there are people who entered here. And sometimes there are people who entered here. Our trade, okay? Listen, our trade last night, we were entering here. Because we were thinking that it can break the supply. Okay, it can break the supply and then go up again. But, because of the pump of dollar, we were not able to do so. The stock market dumped, so Bitcoin follows. Okay? So what? We cannot do anything whenever the stock market is dumping. Okay, so right now I did not give you a long position. So just a short and place it somewhere because we will now follow the macro trend. Okay, so from here you can see it touches the supply zone and then drops again and then goes up, touches the supply zone and then drops again, touches the supply zone. These are micro supply, and drops again and then drops. And then once it touches the demand zone, it will start pumping again. Okay? So the candle, always remember, will always test the resistance or the supply zone. It will always test the resistance or find support, the demand zone. Okay? There is only two directions. Looking for supply, testing the supply, or looking for demand. Okay? So if you are in the demand zone, the advisable way to trade is you trade with the banks, with the institution, with the smart money. Okay, so that's the wise advice right there. So if that's the case, you need to enter with this demand zone here. Okay, your entry should be right here only. Okay, so if you are not going to enter here, make sure your stop loss is below here. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is to find where is the demand zone and where is the supply zone. Are you looking at a micro supply zone or a macro supply zone? Are you looking at a macro demand zone or micro demand zone? Okay? So that's what we are looking at in the demand area. So once it touches, you can see the banks will not allow themselves to lose money, so it will start pumping again. Okay, it will not hit your stop loss below. Okay, so our trade, our stop loss was just in the micro demand zone. So it got broken and still hit our stop loss. Okay, so it's good that we hit our stop loss. If you followed our trade, it's just a 13% trade, 13% leverage, 13x leverage. Okay, we are trading as safe as possible. Okay, we are not putting 100x because when you trade, you make sure you are able to put your stop loss below. Okay, so we don't liquidate ourselves, we hit stop loss. Okay, so that's the important thing there, because as long as you are not liquidated, you are still in the game. Okay, hello, good evening, Felicity. Okay, so touching the supply zone, testing the resistance, testing, and then drops again, and then buys the smart money buys again here. Okay, because they will not allow themselves to lose money. So they will always buy back whenever it touches the demand zone. Okay, so pumps and then breaks the supply zone right now. Okay, this is what we are expecting. It will break. But because of the stock market and also the DXY pumping, the weakening of yuan because of the lockdown in China. Okay, whenever there is catastrophe globally, what happens is the dollar goes up. Okay, and the stocks goes down. Hi, Daddy, handsome boy, yo, what's up? Okay, hello, anak. All right. Okay, so basically, that's what happens here. Okay, when you are in a supply zone. So good news with what I told you yesterday, that we are closing deal a $20,000 account. So we were able to close it, and we went to the bank to transfer the dollar, right? Imagine, even when if it is your money, you need to ask permission with the bank that you want to get it. So you need a 2-day notice. Okay, so the bank will release the money 2 days. Okay, so I just gave our partner instruction what to do. Okay, before while waiting for the money. Okay, so that's good thing right there. All right. When I manage funds, I have different way also of really securing the funds. Okay, so we always protect the funds. Okay. Okay, anyway, going back. So from here, demand zone, and then pumps above supply zone. So that's our strategy right there. Another thing, whenever you see a demand zone, you will see a long wick. Okay, a strong pump, and then you will see a supply zone. Once there is also a resistance, you can see the resistance right there. So you can draw a box of supply zone from the body of the candle up to the top of the wick. Okay, and then you can draw the box, and then you can consider it, and then if you are shorting it, you put your stop loss above. Okay, if this is your trading range. Okay, so basically you can put your stop loss above the trading range where you are trading. Okay, but sometimes when we are trading, we are using the macro trend. We consider this, if this is our trading area, we are considering this a micro trend. So our stop loss is way above, right? So sometimes our stop loss is right here. Okay, with the previous high. Okay, so we don't put our stop loss here. That's why we have lesser leverage. Okay, so you can always spot the demand zone. Look at this one. Touches the supply zone and then drops, touches the supply zone, drops, touches the supply zone, drops. Okay, so this can be a drop base drop. Okay, drop, base, drop, base, drop, and then retest of the supply zone, drops again, and then the supply zone drops, and then retest drops, and then demand zone. Okay, and then we have found the support, so we are getting a long wicks right here, and we have a strong pump. Okay, and breaking the supply zone into a demand zone. Okay, turning supply into a demand. And then we found resistance in the previous. Okay, so if you are looking for resistance, always look to the left. Okay, what happened here? What happened here? Okay, what happened here will mirror here. Okay, so basically, if you are going to trade, then you need to look at the opposite side. Are we going to mirror this one? So we have mirrored here. We got rejected. But the good thing, we did not made a lower low. So primary low, and it made higher low. So it did not went here. So we know that it's already a uptrend because it made a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then higher low. Okay. So it's mirroring here, and then the next retest, we're able to break out this mirror here. Okay. Hello, Mai. Yo, what's up? And then another here, the supply zone, and then continues to the upside. Okay. Okay. So that's Wyckoff market structure. Okay. So why is this important? I'm telling you, why is this important? Because this is how the banks trades. Okay, and if we are only following some indicators are mostly delayed. Okay, mostly they were created before the AI. Okay, AI or robot, algorithm trading, fast trading AI. So if you are using indicators, they will always be delayed. Okay, so before you get the signal of pump, it already pumped. Okay, so it's already late. But if you are trading using the Wyckoff, you know where the pump will start. The pump will start at the demand zone. Okay? You know, if you look at RSI will give you a signal. It's already oversold. Okay, you cannot enter here. Okay, so it's always the MACD is 1978. The RSI 1979. Imagine how delayed these indicators would be. And 1990s, the market has already been using AI robot, so that could be too delayed. Okay, what happened last night was a flip zone. Okay, we got a pump and then dump right away. Okay, dump it. We got a flip. Okay. So we got a flip. The demand turned into a supply. And then we started drop-based drop. Okay, so we are having a drop-based drop. Okay, so you can see here, this is the trend that we are having right now in the macro trend. Drop, base, and then drop. We have seen a huge volume last night. Okay, huge volume last night. Okay, this huge volume here, these two huge volume. Okay, these two huge volume here. Okay, so with that one, you can expect that we are having some a drop, and then we are going to test the base. Where's the base? The possible base is this one. Okay, this one is the possible base. Okay, so we might mirror here. Okay, so we might mirror this demand zone here, supply zone here. Okay, so this one will be mirrored here also. Okay, so if we If we break this, then we can pump, but if not, then we can dump again. Okay, that's why I gave you an entry, short position here, here, and then third entry right here. Okay, so we touch the 0.5 and now it's dropping from here. Okay, so we'll see. Hello, John. Good evening. Yo, what's up? So as you can see, huge volume and then green volume and then red volume again. Look at this one. There is a green volume here, low volume base. Okay, we call it the low volume base. Meaning just a sideways base and then drop. You can consider this one. These two breakout candle, okay? Two breakout candle and then the low volume test. So we are currently, our candle right now is currently this one. We have two green volume, low volume tests. Okay, let's see. So this is the two low volume tests. Okay, so we went up and then from here, either this will be a red or a green. Most probably, if this is already the top, then we can start shorting from here. Okay, but if it pumps more, then we can open short position up to here. Okay, so low volume test. Hello. Yo, Ramil, yo, what's up? Okay. So this is what we are looking at. The trend continuous base or the drop base drop. Okay. So this is another is in the rally base rally. Rally and then base and then rally and then touches the demand zone again. This is where you enter. Right now we are waiting for the entry. Here, the entry, the touch of the supply zone. Actually, we have touched the supply zone already. Touch the supply zone, so our entry should be waiting right here. Okay. And then this is already confirmed because it's all opening lower low. Okay. Low, lower low, lower low. I can hear still the bark of our pet, huh? Even though I'm using a Jabra headset. My pet is really clear in barking. Okay. So here, this is the rally base rally and then the drop base drop. You can take note of these two, okay? So these two, usually you see this in the market, okay? Okay. So you will know that you are in a huge level when you spend less time there. Okay, the stronger the level, the less time it spends there. Look at this supply zone, touches and then drops. This one is not the strongest, but it's strong enough. It has 4 candle. This one has 2, 4, 6 candle. This is a weak supply zone, okay? And might break. Okay? Drop base rally strategy. So you can also see a drop and then base and then rally. So like this one, drop, base, rally. So you can see this hammer. Okay, you can see the hammer in the candle. Let's look at our chart. We're not seeing hammer here, but yeah, we can see a hammer. Daily time frame. Yeah, no hammer really. Okay. So this is the continuous base. Trend continuous base, the drop. Okay, let me draw it again. The drop, then the base, and then the drop, and then the retest. You can enter here with this level here. Okay, it's drawn here so you can see it clearly, and then drops again. The rally, and then the base, and then the rally, then the re-entry here, and then pumps again. Okay, rally base rally, RBR, DBD. Okay. Okay. So with this kind of strategy, you can place your stop loss below the demand zone and above the supply zone. Okay? Below the demand zone and above the supply zone. It's already 6:30 p.m. and with that, if you are not a member yet of our practical group, make sure you join us, okay? So let's go back to our here. So if you are not yet a member here, make sure you subscribe, you like, and then we have a raffle here. 20 USDT, 10 USDT, 5 USDT. How to join? Join the Trade Scholar. Like, share, subscribe our live, and then join our Telegram community, okay? So you click this or you scan this QR. You will be redirected in our Telegram community, okay? And then, from there, you will be redirected here. Okay? So you will be redirected here. Okay, so Angela, good that you fell asleep with your trade, huh? It's a blessing in disguise, huh? Leaving your trade, you made 500%. Others, when they wake up, it's already liquidated. But you, when you sleep, you are sleeping beauty, huh? You make money while you sleep. Hello, Pods TV. Good to see you here. We are an educational platform. Thank you for joining us. You're late? Oh, maybe you are using a different account now or you have been watching us. Okay, so what happens is we have a price forecast, weekly time frame, daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, and then 1-hour time frame. We have our signals here. Okay, we give the signal here. Okay, and then from this signal, if you want specific signal, it is in our practical group. Okay, so how to join our practical group? Okay, how to join our practical group here? So from free, this is what you get. Daily BTC forecast, live technical analysis. You can watch our live. Tita Angela, baka naman. Bago lang ako dito. Okay. Welcome Pods TV, okay? Okay, thank you for joining us. You can join also our raffle, okay? Ramil Rodriguez, Tita Angela, baka naman. Oh, you have new Tita Ramil, ha? You have 2 titas now, Ava and Angela. Alright. So in practical group, 100 to 500, you put at least a Julian balance in your Julian exchange. Okay, so if you're trading already in Binance or in other exchange, you just add this one. Okay, juliannext.live. You can get the app there. Okay, so you get technical analysis, you get 2 daily signals, 1 in the afternoon and 1 in the evening. Okay, beginner courses, learning videos. Okay, so we have a Zoom class every Tuesday and Thursday. Welcome to Pods. Welcome Pods TV. Okay, so what's your content about? So learning videos. You can also have this one. Okay, so that's 100 to 500. Okay, so this is our practical group. We have 95 members here, so you can join here. Okay, so you get your specific signal here, and everybody is learning also here in trading. Okay, so even the trade of Ma'am Angela, she also learned it here. So that's good, right? So that's our desire, because we are the analysts are not always there. Okay, I mean, you own your time and you can always check the chart. Okay, so our desire is to equip you so that you can trade anytime you want. Okay, so that's why we are teaching you always. Pods TV, join ka sa amin sa practical. Yes. Makatita Caramil. Makakatita naman. Yo. So yeah, So you can start also your own CA. Okay, so everybody making money. So even Ramil here also has his long position in Doge. Nice. Okay, 152% BTC long. Okay, nice. Okay, so all good, all good. Okay, so that's good to know. Okay, everybody making money and learning to do their TA also. Okay, so congrats to everyone making money. Money, money, money. All right. Okay, money. Here, we give the signal here. And then here. So here's Angela's $500. Opo, medyo maulan dito. Observe muna. Okay, yes. You can join our community, okay? Alright, so this is our community. And so from here, most people here are Filipinos, okay? So we are actually focusing on growing our Philippine market also in trading, okay? And for us Filipinos to start making money in the market, right? Okay, so exclusive. So especially with pandemic, you cannot live easily. So at least at your home, you can start making money. Okay, so with the exclusive, this is not payment for something, okay? You are using this to trade. So this is still yours, okay? And then this one exclusive greater than 500, you can get more than 2 signals, okay? And one-on-one review. So you can ask question and you will be answered right away with our very own Sir Ian. All right. Advanced courses, learning video, daily signals. So this is our here. You can see here. Okay. So you can check so many things here, get TA, okay? So basically, this is the perfect community if you are looking for a community to grow your trading. Okay, so we tell you always spend your 10,000 hours with us and we will make you a professional day trader. Okay, so you just spend more time with us. Okay, okay. So we're done. Oh, I see. Okay. Maybe the admin. Okay, so maybe the admin disabled. I don't know. So whenever it's related to our Telegram, it's our admin's job right there. Okay. So now let's check some news. What news do we have for Bitcoin that is affecting our market? Bitcoin moving to greener pastures. 60% of mining is now sustainable. Oh, 60%. A rapid move away from non-renewable. Oh, so where are we going? Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy to build that Bitcoin mining industry has been a rapid shift. What's the sustainable sources? The mining industry registered a sustainable electricity mix of 58.4% in the period between January to March. An increase in energy efficiency. A few doubt remains. Sustainable energy powering majority of Bitcoin mining industry. So this is good news, okay? So if it's 60% sustainable, I am Rain. Okay. Hello El Negro. Yo, what's up? Okay, so from here, this is a bullish news because it's sustainable energy and already for Bitcoin mining. Okay. Institutional investors bearish on Bitcoin, Ethereum. Here's what they are buying. Okay, so what are they buying? Altcoins steal market share. Oh, so it's transferring to altcoins, huh? Inflows, including the likes of Solana, Terra is Luna, Avalanche, and Algorand. So Algo. So these are the coins that the investors are getting aside from Bitcoin, because whenever there is a bear market, that's altcoin season. All right, that seems nice. That seems nice. I like that when it's an altcoin season. Not only did this altcoin see good inflows, but also they took up a majority of inflows that were recorded for the week. Notably, inflows include 1.8 million for Avalanche, 0.8 million for Solana, 0.7 million for Terra, and 0.2 million for Algorand. Okay, in total, 3.5 million. Institutional investors don't want Bitcoin, Ethereum. So for now, because it's dumping, not yet, not yet. That came out, so they are still waiting for the bottom. Oh, so you get mute. I see, I see. Okay, ask for Ethereum. So whenever you are in our practical group, you can only post also our Julian exchange. I see, you are using FaceApp, huh? Okay, Robinhood lays off staff. Imagine Robinhood laying off staff, huh? A stock price slumps to new low. Oh, the stock market is dumping really, really hard. Look at this one. It's dumping so hard. The US Russell, S&P 500. S&P 500, no sign of recovering yet. Make it bigger. Look at this dump right here. Okay. That's a huge drop, but it's not. Once we break this support here, we can drop more. Okay, there is even a more potential drop here. Okay. And look at the Tesla. Tesla stock. Let's check Tesla. Tesla dropped yesterday. Bill Gates. Let's see it in stocks. Look at this drop here. Bill Gates has a 500 million short for the Tesla because it's overbought. Okay, and you can see it's a 23% drop from the previous high. Let me check in what daily time frame. Okay, look at this yesterday drop. 12.52%. Okay. So this is Tesla dropping, and Tesla is part of the S&P 500. Okay, so you can just see every stocks are hemorrhaging. How about Netflix? Look at Netflix, it's already 198. And look at that gap there. How can you recover with this huge gap? It's just a total dump. Okay, the previous high. What's the previous high? The previous high is here. 700, and now we are in 198. Imagine. Okay, it's bleeding hard. What's the price? We are down 71%. Oh my. And then you say the stock is safe. And then you say it's safe. It is safe, but the crypto is not safe. And look at this one. You say the crypto is so volatile, it moves 110%, 20% in a day. Look at this. Look at Netflix. It's moving negative 71%. Okay? From November, this one is from November 17. Okay, imagine from November 17 dump up to here. Present. Ooh. Okay, there's a request for Twitter. Okay, we'll check Twitter. Parang landslide, sir. Yeah, landslide and painful landslide, right? Yes, okay, we'll check. From New York Stock Exchange, we'll check it. Okay, 49. Now 49. Elon is trying to buy it in the price of 43, 44, or 45. Trying to buy it 45 with the amount of, how much was that? 50 billion, 45 billion. I don't remember the specific. You can see the volatility here. These are the days when Elon. Look at this. Look at this pump here. It's Elon's doing here. This huge gap here. Elon's doing because when he announced that he's getting the this is weekend, okay? This is weekend. That's why there's a huge gap. But when people know that so he got it already. Is it going to make it private now? No more stock market. So when he got this, the price pump. Okay, people are jumping on board. Okay, look at this jump right there. From here, he got it here 39, and he is buying it to 44. But right now the price is 49. Because of his, I think he's also looking at TA because he bought it specifically after crossing the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so this is a bullish momentum. Okay. Look at this huge volume right here. Oppo, billion. Yes, yes, yes. So, yeah, so this is bullish for, look at the drop it went. This is 80, from 80. Let's look at the ruler. What date is this? February 2021. Okay, so this is from February. The all-time high is February, and from there it did not recover anymore. It dropped 61, negative 61%. And then you say the crypto is moving huge. You don't realize even the stock market is moving also so much. Most welcome, Uncle. Alright. So basically, what I'm trying to say is the news is telling us that the market is dumping. That's why also the Bitcoin follows. Okay? Because the Bitcoin moves like a Russell 2000. Okay? Look at the Russell 2000. Because Russell 2000 includes 2000 company in tech companies. Most are tech companies. And when Bitcoin is moving like a tech company in the stock market. Okay? Okay. Oh. Robinhood meteoric rise. It was targeted at younger investor. Okay, so these are, they call it investor, but they are actually retail. Retail investor wanting in on the stocks. Pay a 5 fee for each trade. However, equity trading number in the US have dropped 7% from the first quarter of last year, leaving Robinhood and other brokerages struggling for market share. Robinhood recent crypto wallet and debit card offering have failed to enlarge their slice of market share, considering that the median amount held in clients' wallet last year sat at only 240. So the average wallet of a day trader in Robinhood is 240. Face reveal po, sir. Alright. In an attempt to bolster further growth, the company is launching other new products this year across 3 business areas: brokerage, crypto, and spending saving. Okay. So basically, this is our Robinhood. And it's bearish in the stock market. That's why they are laying off people. Okay? Okay. So, let's now do some TA with our BTC. What's happening with Bitcoin now? Okay. What's happening with Bitcoin? Oh, pumping hard, huh? Did we find the bottom already? Okay, did we found the bottom already? Seems like we touched the support here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a strong support. And we open a red volume candle. That's bearish. Oh, we might be holding this temporarily. Okay, temporary only. Okay, and this is the support it's holding. From here, once we broke this area, this is high volume node in the VPVR. So once we break this, there is more to the downside. Okay, 37,646. That's the bottom as of the moment. Okay, and we have a breakout from the channel up. Okay, we are having dancing here. If this is a confirmed breakout, usually what happens is like this: drop and then retest of the supply zone and then drops. Okay, our retest happened already. Look at this, check here. It touches our cloud. Okay, it touches our cloud and we got a dump here. Okay, okay. So we'll see what will happen next. Okay. By the way, this is super bearish, okay? Because this is weekly time frame and you are below the cloud. We haven't been below the cloud. Let me repeat that. We have been below the cloud here, January 17, 2022. Okay, once we close below, but the next candle opened and entered the cloud right away. That's why we are able to hold this area. But right now, this one, we are below the cloud. We close below, and this one is not entering the cloud as of the moment. Okay? Okay. That's bearish. We might have free fall soon. Okay, just waiting. Let me remove the brushes. Okay. So in daily time frame, we are now testing the supply zone. Okay, the drop base drop. So drop base drop, pump here, drop and then drop. So we are looking for some resistance. These dots here are resistance. You can see we are trying to hold. And then if we break this, gonna need to hold this area right here. Okay, the stop loss I gave you is above here. Our trade is above here. The stop loss is above here. So we have a drop base drop from here. And then the next support is waiting right here. That's 37,117. Okay. So we are slowly making a support here. So once we break that, the next support will be right here. Okay, 36,200. Okay, these are supply zones waiting. Okay, in daily time frame. And look at our awesome oscillator. This is bearish. We have a red volume here. The pump the past 2 days ago is now recovered here in the next candle. Okay, next volume. It went back to normal, so now we are back on the bearish market again. Okay. We'll see later when the US stock market open, the New York Stock Exchange open. There will be a huge volume for dollar and we will see the movement again. Okay, hello Alexis. Okay. Okay, so for our time frame, bearish our awesome oscillator. We might mirror here. The mirroring will take place in this area. I remove the feed. Okay. The mirroring, we will mirror here the resistance. So if we reject here, then we can continue to drop. We draw the fib line from swing high, swing low. So we are currently touching the 0.5. Okay, 0.5 support. We are still here in 39. Okay, we'll see the next is right here. Okay, rejection area possible. The cloud is this is already bearish. Okay, so if there is a touch with the cloud, you can get a rejection there. Worst case scenario for short. Okay, so you can watch out with these clouds. Okay. We are gonna find some resistance, right? So drop, look for support, and then test resistance. Now the resistance is waiting right here. This is the resistance waiting right here. Okay, that's the resistance are waiting right there. Hello, hello, hello. Chod, Patricio, yo, what's up? Good to see you here. Okay, so I told you in our basic technical analysis you can learn that we are having some drop base drop and we are entering the base again and then we might drop here again. Okay? We might drop here again. We'll see, or we have a drop base rally. Drop base and then rally. Possible also, okay? We'll see, we'll see. Okay, okay. The specific signal, we will be giving it in our practical group, okay? Specific signal, we'll be giving it in our practical group. In 1 hour time frame, you can see already a huge red volume. A huge red volume is a sell-off already. Okay, the retracement to the upside is already over, so we can expect another retracement. It will start selling off again. Okay, we'll see, we'll see. Okay, get this one here. Here. This one. Okay, you always observe the huge volume. This one. Okay, we are observing this one. Okay, and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, so this one is huge volume. Look at the market here. After the green volume, okay, we have now a red volume. And then green volume, green volume, and then we can have another red volume here. So there is possibility for the dump incoming, okay? Okay, thoughts sa Sol. Hello, Peppa. Yo, what's up? How's your show, Peppa? How's your show? The Peppa Pig. Still kids loves watching it, right? My niece learns English from you, ah? Peppa Pig. My niece learns English from you. She speaks English now. Instead of Bisaya, huh? She speaks English. And she feels like everybody is kind and good when she goes out with her mom. She greets everybody, hello, hi. So that's the influence of Peppa Pig. Everybody kind. That's nice. A good. Busy with Mommy Pig. Oh. Your Peppa Pig is a SPG Pig, huh? SPG Pig. Busy with Mommy Pig. Alright. Yo, Zenbadzu. Okay, let's check Sol. I'll give the signal in our practical group, okay? So you can see we are above. Let's check 4 hour. We are still below. We are still below the cloud. We are still below the cloud. Okay, so this is still bearish. There is a breakout already. Most probably we get a rejection here, okay? Because there's so many rejection here. Okay, so but this one is double bottom also. Our awesome oscillator seems bullish. Awesome oscillator is bullish, okay? Higher low. Higher low volume, so we are having some bottom already. So this might be the bottom already and we can start pumping from here. Possible, okay? So you can only say that once you break this neckline. This is the neckline. Okay, 100.97. After breaking that area, after you break this area, you can have a long position. APO at KNC and AVAX. Oh, you all suggestions are coming out, huh? You did not suggest right away, huh? So in the start, you can start suggesting so we can check it ASAP. So this is the price target for Sol, okay? So we might break the cloud here in the thinnest part of the cloud. This is the thinnest part of the cloud, and usually The candle can break only the thinnest part of the cloud. If he cannot break this, then he get a rejection. The bigger the cloud, the harder it breaks. So you only have one chance. Sol, okay? So you either pump it straight the next candle up to 12 midnight to pump it here and break it, or you can get a rejection for here and start dropping again. The trend is bearish, don't forget, okay? The trend is bearish, so do not trade against the trend, okay? Okay, that's all. Okay, we'll check all your coins. A quick check, okay? You know me. We'll check it. Ape, what's happening to Ape? Ape is also pumping. Okay, this is a bullish hustle, okay? This is bullish. This volume here is bullish. It means we found some rally-based rally. We found support here. Okay? And we pump from there. Okay, the momentum. It seems like the Bitcoin is dumping and everybody else is pumping because the liquidity or the money is not in Bitcoin. Whenever the Bitcoin is dumping, they pull out their money and they put it in the altcoins. Okay? The whales, the market makers, they transfer it here. So they make it pump. Okay. So if this is the last row with the pump, then you can expect a drop from here. This is the last row. Okay. They're having some lower high, but we don't know the next volume. If it exceeds this volume, the volume exceeds here, that will continue the trend to the upside possible. Okay. We are still in a uptrend. Our RSI is above. Our cloud is above. And we have a low volume profile here, low volume node, so we can break through here. And we have stronger support here in 18.064. Okay. Price target. Let's check a price target here. Price target. Just this up here. You can have a price target. Your first price target is here. The next one here. Third one is here. Okay. Ape, KNC, Avax Gala. Okay, Ape, KNC, Avax Gala. KNC. Okay. There is a possibility for double top here. Okay, there is a possibility for double top. You can see the sell-off. Okay. So there is a possibility. There is a double top. This is a risky trade though. This is a risky trade, but if you short it, that's also possible. Okay. You can short from here. Then from here, you can start taking profit from the previous low and the next low here in the cloud and here, and then the price target. That's possible for KNC. Okay. Hello, Kim Borgo. Yo, what's up? Avax and Gala. Okay. Avax is now in 70. We found support here. If we break this double here, if we break that, that would be a double bottom. So you can enter a long position from here. If it breaks, of course. Okay, support is waiting here. Most probably it will have hard time, okay? We'll see. You'll see so many bullish news. This seems already the bottom, okay? Based on our awesome oscillator, if we look at the awesome oscillator, this is higher low. So this is a potential uh, double bottom, and this is a potential long position, okay? Let me check. You can have a price target here. TP here. If you want to long right away, you can TP here, and TP here. Okay? Okay. That's for our AVAX. The last one is Gala. Okay. What do we have in Gala? So we got it right. This one we got it right. The supply zone is waiting right here, and we indeed drop from here. Okay, the 0.618. This one we gave you a short position, right? Did I give you? Who's asking this one now? Gala. Todd. Did you short this one? Because our signal here is short. This one, and this one. So it did drop from 0.618. Okay. And then made a lower. So it's consistently making lower highs and lower low. So we are in a downtrend as of the moment. And huge volume, so the trend will continue to the downside, okay? So now your question, where can I open short position? Okay. You can open short in I pull out the wrong computer on top. So you can open short here in 0.5, 3.82. You want to catch it, and then the 0.618. Okay, you can have those 3 entries shorting it, okay? Price target would be you pull it from the opposite. Go to switch. Oops. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. TP here. Take profit here. Take profit in 1.5. Take profit in 1.618. Okay, that's our TP area. Okay. Yes, nag-short ako. Okay, nice. I hope you made money with it, okay? Thank you, sir. I love you. I love you too. All right. Okay. So, now we'll go to our raffle. Who's gonna join our raffle? Just comment 20 USDT. Okay, raffle generator. Nice chod. Okay, that's good. You shorted it. So feel free to comment. $20 USDT to join our raffle, okay? Okay, Wednesday. Ava Grande. Reset. Jeffrey Hamdig. Se Marie Kalay. Hey, hello, Jesus. El Negro. Angelo Carmelo. How are you, Jeffrey Hamtig? Always first in our greetings, in our live. Channeline. Our microphone better now? Is it not picking more noise or just good enough? Public Mendoza VF8. Evening at Paulo. RA. RA. Good.
I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
Bogdanov. Bogdanov. You get familiar with Bogdanov, huh? Zero, the lone rider. I hope you're still here, Zero, okay? Then Amiro. Hey Kenji, if you want to join a raffle, feel free to comment 20 USDT, okay? Hey! Okay, nice. Welcome, Kenji, okay? Everybody, welcome our raffle. The more, the merrier. Okay, so there will be challenge for others to always have an entry. So if you complete your entry every day, so you have more chances of winning every day. A new chances of winning. Pods TV. Pods TV 20 USDT is for you to be able to join our raffle. Okay, just comment 20 USDT and then you will have an entry in our raffle, and every Sunday is our raffle. Okay. Okay, so you can add it to your trading capital once you win. Okay. So many winners here. Palestine. Alex Palau. Good. Pat. T-shirt. Epa. Easy kay Mami P. Yo, Zenbadzu. You gonna join a raffle now? Kim Burgo, you want to join a raffle? You can comment 20 USDT. Christian. Ay. Very good. Yes. Mail. Benji. Pods TV already here. Already have entry. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you for joining our live for tonight. See you tomorrow 8 p.m. Okay? Our live tomorrow is 8 p.m. because we're gonna have a Zoom class at 6 p.m. Okay? All the best, everyone. Stay safe, trade safer. Take care, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us. All right. Bye-bye.